Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Zelle alerts. Alright, let's get straight into it. The first step is to open the Zelle app, or you can access it through your bank's mobile app. Second step is to navigate to settings. So once you've logged into your account, just tap on the settings or accounts tab, and then you want to tap on notifications or alerts. Next is to choose the alert type. So you can choose the type of alert that you want to receive, and that could be payment received alerts or payment sent alerts. Likewise, you have low balance alerts, large transaction alerts, as well as suspicious activity alerts. Next up is to set alert preferences. So you can set your alert preferences, such as how you want to receive that. It could be email, text message. You could also set the alert frequency. So if that's real time, daily summary, or whatever, you can just set that right now. And the next step is to save your changes to properly set up Zelle alerts. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Zelle alerts. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.